So right, we'll be learning today about how to use esp32 module for our lab experiments, especially for GNT Anantapur third year second sem computer science students. So fine, first we need to use Arduino IDE, and in the Arduino IDE we need to check whether our Arduino IDE is installed with esp32 board or not. Just this way we need to click here in the development board sections, click on this. After installing Arduino IDE, especially use Arduino 2.3.2 version. That video also I uploaded on my channel, so with the help of that you can install Arduino IDE in your laptop or PC. Then you go and click over here and click on select other board and port and type dev esp32. Already it is installed in my laptop. If it is not there, then you need to go to this link. One link is available. So this link I will provide you in the comment section. Use this link to install esp32 in your, so here it is. Just paste in the browser or in the tab and use this link. After using this link, go to your Arduino IDE, go to files, then click on preferences, and then in the additional board manager you have to paste that link and then press OK. Already it is installed in my PC, that is the reason I am not clicking OK, I am clicking cancel. Fine. So once the development board esp32 is installed, it will show here. Already I plugged in esp32, so that is the reason it is showing here the COM port section also. If I remove it, unplug it from my laptop, that USB port it will not show. So fine, once I click it will show that USB port. Okay, so right now this is the first example program, not example, actually it's an experiment 1, serial monitor LED servo motor controlling. So first experiment, first part, it is controlling actuators through serial monitor, creating different LED patterns. So first part, it is controlling actuators through serial monitor. So this is the code. In this code, one variable I used as input, because from the serial monitor I will be sending some commands A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, some characters I will be sending. To take that character as input, I am declaring one variable, because the question is controlling actuator through serial monitor. In the serial monitor, if I press 1, 2, 3, any character, some load on the ESP side, ESP32 side has to be controlled, like LED and buzzer. Two actuators we are going to control. So those two actuators I connected here. One on LED 13, that is LED I am connecting on 13th pin, and buzzer I am connecting on 12th pin. Then as per the Arduino setup, in the setup we have to declare inputs and outputs. So serial begin I declared, because serial monitor, this serial monitor we are going to use. That is the reason. Baud rate I mentioned as 9600. Different baud rates Arduino supports. You can check here. Any baud rate you can use. Not only Arduino support, ESP32 also it supports. So any baud rate commonly used is 9600. That is the reason I am using 9600. Next is pin mode. Using pin mode, we declare the pins as inputs or outputs. Actually, two actuators we are going to connect for controlling them. So both of them are outputs. And initially, I want to make them low so that buzzer and LED will be off. Next, I am in the loop, like this is for continuous repetition process. The same code what we write in the loop will get repeated continuously. So that is the reason. In the loop I am checking for serial available, means if any data is being pushed from the serial monitor 1, 2, 3 or anything, some data A, B, C, X, Y, Z, any data, if it is coming, it will go into the input variable. Already I declared at the top. That is the reason I declared this variable here at the top. It will go into the input variable. Then input will compare. If it is matching with 0, I am going to off the LED, and if it is matching with 1, our LED will be on. Digital write. Digital write is a function in the Arduino provided for supplying voltages. For supplying we provide the number as input from the serial monitor as 2, buzzer will be on. For 3, buzzer will be off. Digital write is a function to provide some voltages on the input output pins of any controller like Node MCU or ESP32 or Arduino UNO. Low means off, high means on. Like we'll be connecting positive of the actuators, like positive of buzzer and positive of LED. And when we provide input as 4, both buzzer and LED will be on. And if we provide input as 5, both the actuators will get off, buzzer and LED. So this was the program. So, right, and to upload the program, once we connect with our laptop, it will show the like here COM port, and selecting the COM port, click OK and just click here. So the code will get uploaded. Now it is compiling for any errors. If compiling is done, next uploading will happen. At the time of uploading, if here any status it is not showing, at that time you press boot button. At the time uploading will happen automatically.
This is ESP32. So in ESP32, if you look closely, you'll find so many pins like V in ground, D13, D12, D20. So D written means digital input output. So you can connect your inputs or outputs here wherever D is written. Anyhow, pin description will also be provided, and V in ground is there. So from there you can take the supply voltages if needed. Input like 3 volts or 5 volts or ground, any voltages you can take. V in, from V in we can take 5 volts. Otherwise, other pins like here 3.3 volts is written. From there we can take 3 volts. So 2 actuators we are going to connect. This is one LED and this is one buzzer. So LED positive, you identify the positive. I told in some videos how to identify them. Just identify the positive and connect on 13th pin, because in the program I mentioned 13th pin, and immediately wherever you find ground, other pin of the LED connected to the ground. Next is buzzer pin. Also some other place also will be having some grounds, so you connect to the ground pin here. Some ground pin is connected, then buzzer pin is connected to 12th pin, D12. So I mentioned as D12 in the program. Next, for uploading the program, you just connect with any of the USB pins. USB slots available, just connect it and beep sound will come, and then you check it here. Click on select other board and port, type esp32 dev kit and click OK, and then click on this upload button. See here, now presently it is compiling. Once compiling is done, automatically it will upload. If not uploading means here boot button is there, that boot button you need to press it. See, it is not uploading now. It is started without pressing also, it is started. Once the uploading is done 100%, now click on serial monitor here at the top, serial monitor here at the top. Once you click here on the serial monitor, you will get some information to be entered from here. In the program I mentioned as 0 for off, 1 for on. See, LED is on. When I press 1, LED is on. When I press 2, buzzer is on. When I press 3, buzzer is off. When I press 4, and when I press 0, LED is off. 1 on, 2, 3 off, 0 off, LED off, 1 LED on. So this is how we can control actuators by using our serial monitor.